telling you, Kennedy, it's crazy. You know, $20 is $20, so at the end of the... Hold on, give me a second. Here you go, man. Stay warm.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
No problem, man. Stay warm.
Wait, son, you forgot your conspiracy.
Oh, no, I'm good, man. You don't have to worry about that.
Chauncey, is everything all right?
What the fuck? The Mandela Effect.
What the fuck are you on about? Get the fuck off of me!
Your conspiracy. The Mandela Effect. Nelson Mandela really did die in prison. I should know. I killed him. But in this world, he lives.
Please don't kill me.
Strange, isn't it? Different people remember different things. Worlds collide, and they leave behind stragglers. Beware. Don't let yourself become a straggler. Anyway, thanks for the sauce, mister.
Sorry about the Kennedy. I'm back. I think old man Virgil just confessed a murder to me.
I mean, the Mandela Effect's kind of a mental thing. It's not like people are actually traveling to other universes.
I'm just telling you what he told me.
I know. Listen, I gotta go. I'll pick up tomorrow, though, okay? All right, good night, Sean.
What the hell? Who the fuck is Birdie? Hey.
Why the fuck would you wear that in front of me?
What, this? I don't know, I just found it in the back of my closet. What's wrong with it?
Was that supposed to be some kind of joke? It's insensitive as hell, Chauncey. You know my mom named me after Big Bird.
Your name is Kennedy.
What the hell is Kennedy?
Okay. Ow! You is Kennedy. You're Kennedy. What the fuck is happening?
I can't even with you. Did you wake up on the wrong side of the bed this morning?
More ways than one, apparently. Birdie? What, you're named after Big Bird? Your parents hate you or something?
What the fuck is wrong with you? You know how hard my mom took his death.
Did you just say his death? No, Kennedy! I mean, Birdie! How the hell does a Muppet die?
All smiles on the runway today as Big Bird loads up to prepare to be the first Muppet in space. We're all very excited for this, and we have liftoff. Now remember, this is one small step for man, one large leap. Oh shit! He's fucking dead! Oh, he blew up!
Oh shit. Hey, you were right. I'm sorry. I thought it was a joke, but it just wasn't funny.
You guess. It was sick and insensitive and disgusting and fucked.
I know.
And on International Big Bird Morning Day, too.
International Big... Okay, yeah, whatever, fine. Just tell me what I can do to make it up to you.
You know what you can do? You can forget about your little thing tonight and go to the candlelight vigil with me instead.
Candlelight vigil for who?
Nelson Mandela.
So he did die in prison!
No, dumb fuck, it's for Big Bird.
Of course it'd be.
Well, you coming or not?
Let me think about it. I've got a few things to figure out first.
More than a few things, jackass.
Chauncey Bones?
Please don't hurt me, man. I'm getting fresh out of sauce.
Me? Hurt you? How preposterous!
What the fuck is happening? Why are you British now?
English, my dear lad, there is a difference. We won our independence from the British, yet we speak English. Understood? Say, you're not from around here, are you, Mr. Bones? Looks like you've gained a couple of inches on you since I last saw you.
Is this another one of your conspiracy theories?
Conspiracies? Oh, I should hope not. I don't want to prattle around with such nonsense. My visions are what guide me.
Visions.
From the Lord, dear lad. Oh! A vision! Another vision!
Please, not again.
The way home you seek is closer than you realize.
This is the way home? How?
The vigil! You must go to the vigil! Anywho, I must be going now. I am late for my beans on toast appointment. Ta-ta!
Hey,
Have you made your decision?
well, right now I'm trying to decide which one's weirder. You know, creepy conspiracy theorist Virgil or British prophet Virgil.
Virgil's English. Why are you being so insensitive today? Are you coming with me or not?
I'm in. This is so fucked up.
I know. I can't believe he's really gone.
So is the puppet dead or the puppeteer?
Yes.
All this for a Muppet?
Isn't it beautiful?
Feels a bit silly, no?
What did you just say?
You heard me. No, stop. I mean, whose idea was it even to have a 7-foot bird puppet go over space and rocket anyways? What's even the point?
Big Bird was a national hero, you jerk!
Nick, he doesn't know what he's saying! It's not his fault! Stop!
Yes. Everything's back to normal.